Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Here is your science teacher, and today we will study about the unit number 3, kinds of plants. Let's read about kinds of plants. Plants. Most plants are green. Green plants can make their own food. They need air, water, and sunlight to make food. Now look at in this picture, you can see the plants need the light energy and they absorb carbon dioxide from the air, and the roots of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil, and in this process they make oxygen and food or glucose. So this process is called photosynthesis. Parts of a plant. Roots grow in the soil. They suck water and minerals from the soil. The stem grows above the soil. Leaves and flowers grow on the stem. The stem takes water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Green leaves make food for the plant. Flowers make fruits which have seeds inside them. Now look at this picture. Here are some parts of the plant. You can see this is called the flower. This is called the stem. And this part is called the leaf. And these are the roots. And you know the roots absorb water and they suck water from the soil, and stem transport this water to other parts of the plant, means to the leaves and to the flower, and leaves make food for the plant because food making process take place on the leaves. Photosynthesis process take place on the leaves, and these are the flower, and flowers change into fruit, and you know that inside the fruit there are seeds. Kinds of plants. There are many different kinds of plants. Some plants grow very tall. They are called trees. They have hard woody stems. Some plants do not grow very tall. They are called shrubs. They have many branches. Some plants grow close to the ground. They are called herbs, and they have soft, weak stems. Now look at here. These are herbs, and their stems are very soft and they grow close to the ground, means they are not tall. Shrubs. So these are the shrubs, and their stems are weak and they have many branches. These are not very tall. And now these are the trees. They grow very tall and their stems have strong woody stems. Some plants have no stems. They are called mosses. They grow in moist, shady places. Now look at the example of some mosses here. These are mosses and they have no stem, and you can see here they grow in the shady places, and this looks like a carpet on the ground. Trees, shrubs, and herbs have tubes which take water from the roots to all parts of the plant. They have other tubes which take food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Means the plants which are grown well like trees, they have two types of tubes. One is for carrying water from the roots, and the other tubes are used to take food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Unusual plants. There are some kinds of unusual plants. The touch-me-not is an unusual plant, and the touch-me-not leaves fold up when you touch it. Now look at, this is a touch-me plant, and when you touch-me-not plant, and when you touch its leaves, it fold up its leaves, and you can say it close its leaves. The pitcher plant traps insects in its pitcher. Now look at, this is a pitcher plant, and this trap insects in its pitcher. It looks like a pitcher, and it traps the insects in its pitcher. The Venus flytrap catches insects. Cactus leaves are like thorns. The mushroom is not green, so it gets its food from dead plants. So look at in this picture, it is a Venus flytrap, and you can see here it catches the insects in its trap. When any insect sit on it, it closes its leaves and it traps the insects. Now here you can see it's a cactus plant, and on its body you can see the thorns which saves it from other animals, and you can see this plant in the desert areas or in the dry lands. Mushrooms. These are mushrooms, and they cannot make their own food, and they live on the dead plants, or they take food from the dead plants. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can understand the different types of plants. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.